Hello and welcome to Persian cuisine. My name is Chef May. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious Persian meal. It's called spinach rice. The name describes the ingredient. The main ingredients are spinach and rice. And I'm going to show you how to prepare it, and I'm going to show you also the rest of the ingredients. It's very delicious. Please, let's go started. I have 2 cups of rice here. I washed them and soaked them for about an hour, and I added some salt. I have 4 cups of spinach, chopped spinach. They're organic and they're fresh. 1 medium onion, few cloves of garlic, salt, pepper, turmeric to taste. And you always need a good cutting board, spatula, a plate for holding your spatula, and of course a good pan. A good chef should always have a chef's bowl. This is where you put all the compost or anything else that you want to throw away, and at the very end everything is going to be neat and organized. You don't have to go back and forth to the compost or garbage. For this meal, we have to cut our onion into very small pieces. So the first thing you do, you cut the onion in half, and then you slice it this way. The more lines you make, the smaller the pieces will be. This is a stainless steel pan. I'm going to add some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. It's about maybe 2 tablespoons, and I let it heat a little bit. Then I'm going to add the onions and let it fry gently. This is the rice. Meanwhile, the onion is frying. I'm going to let the rice boil. After you bring the rice to boil, you let it boil for 5 minutes and then pass it through a strainer. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and almost 1 teaspoon of turmeric. At this point, I'm going to add the spinach on top of the fried onion. Don't worry, it's not too much spinach. All the spinach is going to turn to nothing. Pass the rice through a strainer. I am assembling this food in a Persian rice cooker or any rice cooker that you have. The reason I use Persian rice cooker is because it gives you very good crunchy tahdig, and I sliced 1 small potato to add it to the bottom, and at the end it's going to be very, very beautiful. And this is how we assemble this beautiful dish. First you add a layer of rice, then you add your spinach and onion, rice. Basically you're working layers. This is something I learned from my beautiful mother. She said you can put some garlic on top, and the entire rice smells like garlic, but if someone doesn't like it, they can put it aside. I put a pot in the rice cooker. I'm going to add about half a cup of water on top of the rice, and I then put the lid on and let it cook on 35 minutes. I'm also going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. This is my very favorite rice cooker. The brand is Pars and I love it very much. I have it for many years. Gives you the most amazing rice and mixed rice. Our food is ready to be served. I have a round tray. I'm putting it on top of the rice cooker. I bring it out and flip it and lift it. Wow, that looks beautiful. Our very delicious and traditional spinach rice is ready. I have a beautiful crunchy taddy, which is amazing. I hope you make it and enjoy it. And we usually serve this with torshi, which is pickled vegetable, or yogurt. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe. And again, I thank you very much for your very nice and kind comments. I love you all. Bon appetit and nushaja. And please let me know what would you like me to cook for you next time. Take care.